At Microsoft, we're working with Parsec to transform the way manufacturers interact with their data. This means 50% faster issue resolution, as teams can instantly retrieve relevant historical and real-time data, bringing AI-powered intelligence directly to the factory floor.
Introducing Traxys IQ, an AI-powered chatbot. With Traxys IQ and Microsoft AI, manufacturers are transforming how they interact with data, optimize production, and drive efficiency.
By automating insights, Traxys IQ reduces data analysis time by 30 to 50%, freeing up engineers and frontline workers to focus on higher value tasks.
Leveraging Microsoft AI technology, Traxys IQ allows manufacturing teams to query operational data using natural language. AI-powered manufacturing intelligence is the future, and this is just the beginning.
Click the link to learn more.